Hello, welcome to this video. I was thinking about how my videos that have the most views are fingerboarding ones. However, I don't make that many fingerboarding videos, and part of that is because I'm really not that good of a fingerboarder, and I'm not that good of a fingerboarder because I don't practice, and I have other projects that I need to do. For example, today I need to put a crib together. So today I was going to see if I could combine a little bit of fingerboarding with putting together a crib. So the fingerboard I'm going to be using today is this Aaron Cairo Tech Deck. That's the skull one, and this is the first one I tried to put together, and I didn't do the best job with the grip tape, and it has the most wear on like the tail and stuff. Like the wheels are kind of gunked up. So this is the one that I've used the most. Anyway, that doesn't really matter too much other than so I don't mind using it for this. So let's see if I can do some crib fingerboarding. These are the feet for the crib. You can see the screws going right there. So I thought I'd start with this. Now, a viewer recommended trying my left hand to see if that just would end up working out better. So let's see how it goes. It's definitely harder, but that I don't have as much practice. Hey, maybe I'm gonna have to give that more of a shot. Well, there it is. That was actually kind of fun. I don't know what else to say. It's kind of hot up here, so I'm going to go downstairs where it's a little cooler. Anyway, hope you enjoyed. Please consider checking out some of my other videos. Bye.